I'd like. I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to my channel. Now we're back to the beach again, and I've got a good friend with me today, Phil, for another angle UK. And he's hauling in seaweed by the looks of it. So what about gripper leads on? Because the tide started, the wind and the tide's going to shape direction and pulling their lines. What's happening here, Phil?
I'm catching weed fish. Oh, I so enjoy catching weed fish. Yeah, just a load of weed on that one.
I got a lot of weed the last day I was here.
You brought me back.
Aye.
Brought me back for a weed fest.
I'm wanting you to clear the weed so that it's clear for me.
Making a good job. Making a good
I
start.
see it. Great stuff. Oh well, we're enjoying ourselves anyway.
That's it.
That's the main thing. I hope the sound is working today because if I preach again. Oh, yeah. So sometimes if I had a cup, I was like, doing well. It might be. Right. Well, this is on my roads. I've got 3 beach gusters, good. Then Phil, he's got 2. So I'm just making sure I beat them. So I've got 3 beach gusters, good. And then I've got a scratching road over here. I'll let you see. And this is an old walking stick for my father. And I put a road holder on top. So it's awful handy. You can just pop it in. You can just walk behind a beach, gosh, dude, and just pop it in. Stick your road in it. This road is a spinning road and a spinning wheel, a wee spinning wheel. Then it's really light gear. I think it's about 940 mono. Yeah. I've got one of your wee pocket watch wears. As with 2 hooks, the flopper rig with 2 hooks, size 6 hooks, really small hooks. So I painted it up with marble, small bits of marble. And try not to know, but I maybe when I last long with that, because the flood tides come on you, and the wind's gonna certain directions at day. So I think it's just going to haul that right through now the time. So we'll see how we get on anyway. Just a scratching rig. And you're casting it a bit further in. See if there's any fish further in. That's a tide coming up to this new. Tide's racing in new. You still catching seaweed?
Still catching seaweed. But since we put them a bit further out, kept the rod tips high, I think we're missing a bit of it. So
Really? Yeah,
it
well.
feels like we're fishing a bit more, whereas before it was seaweed all the time. We've got some bigger gaps between the seaweed.
I haven't hauled the line yet. I haven't hauled my lines yet. So
No.
I didn't give up seaweed. So I'm just enjoying watching Phil picking off all the seaweed and clearing it out of my road. Right, I'm going to want to haul my first road for the first time of day and see if it like. Now, the first thing I'm hauling, I think it's a fluke dozer. You need wire things that are made up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hooks altogether. So, fingers crossed.
So the fluke dowser with 7 hooks, Gordon's actually winding it in quite slowly, just with a way to make a bit of disturbance and see if flounder will pick it up on the way in. Now I've been watching and the tip of the rod is jiggling a bit. So I think it might have at least one flounder on here. So hopefully you're not getting too much wind in the microphone. Been trying to set him up with different microphones, but they're not working.
Well, that's my fluke dozer. Near fish. We're picking up a lot of weed. So, I'll haul this other lines in. See if there's anything on him. I mean, we might need to make a shift. But we're not going to get nothing here. The one hole in the drainer. The other 4 lines has got floppers on them. So I've got a 3 hook flopper and a 4 hook flopper. So we'll see if there's anything on him. We'll one hole him out. Good idea. Yeah, well, I've got something. The wee dog.
How many hooks have we had out to get that one?
Oh, 20. Oh, well, he's just left. Look. Great
Yeah,
stuff.
he's a way to go back.
Bunny we fish. Right, we'll get him back. Beautiful fish. Bunny dub. Wait again. Now, the bait is actually soft on it, Rick. This is just a wee scratch on me. Oh, pocket watch. Wait. I think it's just an ounce. And two small hooks. I think that's size 6. Bait's been scored for something in the bait. It's a gripper leads with 6 prong things.
Stretch it.
Oh, yeah. So I dropped the bra out.
Nothing down yet.
No, it wouldn't be. The good thing is the hard for the short and thin. Well, that's fell hauling it. The lines were drifted being even with the clipper leads. So I could have showed to a 6 prong gripper lead because again, when you short them out, they just anchor right in place. But they're a job to break them out. So we still trying to break it out. Come on now. No, it's working. Ah, you maybe got a big fish.
Got a boat over there.
Oh, that boat, aye. Well, so far we've just got one dab here, one small dab. So we're thinking of making a shift. I want to the south end of the beach. That seaweed again, look. Yeah.
Seaweed.
Aye. Yep. What the holy shaking road. And it's got a 6 prong gripper on it, so hopefully you can break out of it. As you can see, it's a struggle to break the 6 prongs out. That thing was easy up to break out. Been a lost in. Hey! Oh, it's a wee dove again. Great stuff. Fell in his dove. That's a recht kloot you've got there, Phil, is she?
That's a fair piece of kit.
Oh, right. Catch me a fish. That's a crack already.
So this one's just with the circle hook, just nicely hooked at the corner of the mouth there. So just got the last rod to bring in here before we move. A little bit of jiggle on the rod there.
The grip at the bouncing being.
That's what happens. The gripper starts to bounce, doesn't it? Yeah.
Keep it happens when the waves come in. You sink into the sun.
Yeah. Maybe film the wave coming over his boot in a minute.
Whenever the first day.
So we were just saying that's 24 hooks and bait that have been out and 2 dabs. It's time to move.
Another dove.
That's a good one, that.
Better than the last one, anyway.
It is.
Oh, that's a bonny ring. Beautiful fish.
It's juggling.
No, here,
Well caught.
you just don't want to cast me easy.
No, I'm not surprised. I wouldn't either.
Right. Got to get a cast with it, you like it or no. Put your back for your block. What do we do?
Beauty. Off he goes. What is it? And away.
And away! Great stuff. Waiting, we're walking being at beach, carrying all that stuff. So we've shifted to the south side of the beach now. And that was fell there. Coming there. Carrying all his stuff. We just bundled up our gear. Just left the roads hail. Even all the hooks and the bait on them. And just carried the hang being the beach. In a fair distance, like. But what's it doing? No, I'm going to want to cast my first rod out. And it's the same bait as what I was using. The bait's still on the hooks. And the bait's okay. So I'm just going to show that with that. And it's a 3-hook flopper rig with a short and flap. That's what roads across to do. And my sardine is clip doing rig. We own cascade swivels, 4 hooks. I like plenty hooks to make sure I catch more fish than fowl. If you didn't catch anything, it doesn't matter. You're out here on this beautiful beach. What do you feel?
That wasn't in the plan.
Well, I must be a floor across the restaurant. Well, broke my road. Yeah. See, look. Watch me. Oh, it's going to be sure of me. Well, I was casting out there just now, and look if it haven't. Now, I'm just wondering, I was carrying all the roads being a beach, and I just wonder if I didn't wasn't pushed in right. Uh, it's cracked at the back. I'm going to want to try and cut off that board bit and shove it in again, see what works.
We've just been doing a bit of surgery.
Right. Phil had something out of it, army knife.
Yeah, that's a cheap army knife thing.
Army knife. And we cut the board bit off. And we'll just hit the purpose and just move and see if it works. You think? Let's try it.
Be gentle. Be gentle.
Right, we'll give it a go. We'll maybe snap again. So keep an eye out. You'll maybe get a laugh.
Try. Not dead yet.
No, it's not dead yet.
Life is yet. This is what I need for Gordon's casting, just in case. So, Damien AB, if you've lost your hat, we've got it here on the beach for you. Damien AB, if you're watching, here's your hat.
You can see I'm one road doing now. But I'll sort it again. I must be getting better at the casting or something. Power casting. No, I mean, it's cheap roads. You see, I can't afford this expensive roads, so I have to work a lot of cheap stuff. And it's that very cheap stuff. Anyway, I'll get that slit lead again. That's spinning road, spinning reel. uh, 4 hook stretching right here. Little wee hooks. I think that's size 6 hooks, 6 or 8 or something like that. Don't know my mind. And a pocket watch lead announce. It's all left here. The scratching rig. We'll get out of it and see if there's anything closer and sure. Oh, good enough. Yeah, that's all. Walking stick. The road was up. East time. Top class. Gonna be the lovely jubbly. Gonna be the fucking deer.
You know any of the skippers of these Creole boats?
Yeah, look.
No, look at that.
Good zooming at camera.
Yeah, a few Creoles going over the side.
How are you getting on at this sport, Phil?
Well, you brought me to your prize spot, haven't you?
Right.
Quite a place, but I missed the bite.
Okay.
Yeah,
Here we go. I don't know.
that's what you did.
Okay.
But not had any too hot at the minute. The bikes aren't so great. So, that's on there, the rod with the brain.
Oh, yeah. And you just using mackerel and all.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. I've tried squid in the past.
right.
Flounder, I've never been very successful with squid, but
I'm ashamed. Never catch that one that way. Squid, like
worms and mackerel, I think,
mackerel.
is what I've used.
Well, the reason I use mackerel because we get a lot of it in the boat.
Yeah.
I've got an abundance of mackerel, so my freezer's right full of mackerel.
Is it quite early for mackerel?
Yeah,
April, May time?
well, you should start seeing them coming on new, but we actually started getting them in the middle of March.
Yeah.
In the middle of March this year.
Yeah.
And that is early.
Yeah,
That is it.
I see some good size. It's, you put photographs.
Some only mackerel come up, boy.
Any cod this year?
Yeah, smart woodlands. There's a few smart woodlands coming up. Small lane. But we've been getting a new bonny hoodie.
Yeah.
Decent hoodie. Like. Big whitings, you know.
Another white.
Bonny whitings. In fact, I'll maybe, if I move with the road, a space up here, I'll maybe put a filter for the hoodies we've been catching yesterday on the board. Some bonny hoodies, bonny whiting and all, yeah. So, what about up here?
There's quite a lot of birds diving here, isn't there?
Aye,
You know?
aye. Well, it must
So,
be getting something to feed them.
Yeah.
That maybe eating all the flounders. Really get Look, we still get beach to ourselves. Well, actually, there is two folk doing that like my dog. That's oh, it's great. That's being out. Yeah, but they eat the fish.
what a fish.
That's
Well, you met too.
I see them on the other get up. So
The dab.
no, they flounder dogs. Sorry, yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's usually one that would get near. So
I can say to you, I did that species competition.
oh, aye.
Fish don't eat. I couldn't get a dab.
Then again,
Man after man. And then it was, I think it was January the 2nd of the following year.
aye.
And I got a dab.
Okay.
And if I caught that dab, I think I might have won the competition that year.
Just the way it goes, well,
It is, yeah. It was fun catching all ones that I did. I didn't get everything on the list, though. Still,
aye. See, lines. There seem to be a lot.
I cast.
Oh, you've crossed it up, haven't you? Yeah, we still back in doing another something. They're all
Lines and black legs and get
oh, I see your bed, Prince.
And then I've got the other ones about here.
Okay.
And then you've got your zoo.
I did cast out that way, just for the winning of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop taking on the road. Yeah. Good. Is it time to haul yet? Check.
Well,
I think I'll check my injury like this. I just used the same bait. Just fit the head on. The watermelon nice. Try out for a
mix it up a bit.
mix it. Another dub. Another day, another dub. I'm getting a dub on it this.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Right, we'll get the wee crater back as quick as we can. I won't wind down the spinning board, or I wouldn't be able to reach it before long. This is with a scratcher. Finally got a flounder today. It's a wee lad, like, with a scratching rake. But I'll be pleased to see him. Now, my bonny wee flounder. First in the day. And I'm fair sure. Beautiful fish. We'll get him back. A happy dog. Oh, tide's still racing in. Now, we've a fine high back here for booze fishing, but it's it's a low bit in the bucket. As you can see, the waves are starting to lap over the top and surround us. So we vind de schäfte hang back and we're back at us bed for that will get maroon. So the awkward like it's just further up the coast once that water comes in that shallow bed. Trying to get coast I do go to top of that. Yeah. See it's fell in space again. It's a tide starting to get back out now. So we're managing to get back out onto our high bit of sand out there, where we island. You can see fells already out there. I'm going to want to shift my roads out just now. It's a dangerous cave for us fishing. You see, we've got quicksand here in between there and there. You look down here, I'll let you see if I'm spitting on it.
Almost into the top of the rigabout.
It's no good. What's back a bit further? No good. Scary stuff. Well, it was fell there just now with another flounder. Just a small like he's catching up in me now.
It's in numbers now. But of course, mine count as two because I've only got 4 hooks out.
I've got about 20 hooks. Fell, fade, another angle, UK. And you'll have to check out his channel because he makes other good videos compared to me. A lot better quality.
I do my best, that's right. That's right. They could be better.
I'm hard to understand, but you'll easy understand Phil. And you can check out his channel, give him a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm subscribed, so get on here and get subscribed. Yeah, Phil.
Good man. Top man.
Alright, top one. No, nothing.
Wait.
I think it's wishful thinking. Great, what a time, look. Great stuff. Just small fishes again. Small flounders, but I'm happy with it. And it's a bit of fun with this light tackle. Light fishing rod.
I think it's the light rod that's done the action today, isn't it?
Alright, we'll get him back as quick as we can. A piggyback. Piggyback to the shore. Just seems to be on a small fish.
Yeah.
Just touching him and that the size 6. A fish is a fish to me. And it's all great fun.
It's been a grand day. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I set off from home at about 3:30 this morning. It was chucking it down with rain. It was raining most of the way here.
Yeah.
Put all the wet weather gear on, put the foulies on, and it's been okay.
It's been a lovely day.
Chasing the tide down now, moving everything down slowly.
Aye, tide's getting back now. Another dog. Check out the colour on this lot. He's actually got some white on him here. And it's almost like a green kind of colour on his back. So a wee bit unusual. But another bony dog. And we'll get him back quick. Nice stuff. Another wee flounder. Beautiful fish. Well, same again at small hooks and a light tackle. The fish has been all small today. So the size 6 hooks is the hooks he's been catching it. Then I did get a couple of fish in the size, I think size 1 hose, but it's not small fish, not small idea. So it's strange that sometimes you just get a run of small fish. We'll get them back as quick as we can, as usual. So we can fight another day. Or maybe catch him again, he's bigger in the future. He's away, look at that. It's been a magic day and really good company. So I fell here for another Handle UK. Now, mind and check out his channel and subscribe and all. A good friend of mine is. So it's at 8 uur fishing a day.
Yeah,
Well, 8 uur walking about anyway.
that's it.
And we've got a few fish, small ones, but
Yeah.
oh, great weather, good company. That's all you can ask for.
It's been really good. Yeah, right enjoyed yourselves.
Right, I'll catch you after.
Tight lines from me. Bye.
And for a good day.
And the tail wag
And
from
a
me.
tail wag for the. Catch you after.